full integration, flat out fast. Built to meet the demands of professional triathletes and world champion time trialists, this speeding bullet is in a class of its own. Experience supreme aerodynamic performance in a race-ready package. Engineered using computational fluid dynamics and dynamic wind tunnel testing, the Trinity Advanced Pro delivers a proven aerodynamic advantage. Handcrafted from premium advanced-grade composite and meticulously formed with Giant's Aero system shaping technology, it slices through the wind better than any bike in its class. Made for real-world triathlon performance, it offers a comfortable fit for long-distance training and racing.